In this video, we'll see the new OpenKM feature that allows you to merge two PDF files into a single document quickly and easily. This option is the ideal when you're working with related documents, such as contracts with appendices, invoices with supporting documents, or any files you want to combine into one final PDF. To get started, we'll go to the OpenKM File Explorer, select the main document and open the PDF Tools option. You'll see that all the pages of the main document are loaded. Next, we'll use the Insert Pages option and then select the second document. In the panel on the right, you'll see the pages of the second PDF being loaded. At this point, we can select all the pages or only the ones we need. In the central panel, we'll choose where to insert them. In this example, we'll add them at the end. To do this, we just need to select the page and drag it to the desired position. Finally, we'll give the new document a name, and OpenKM will generate it immediately. Finally, we'll open the resulting document and verify the result in the preview. As you will see, the page has been added correctly. And that's it. With this feature, working with multiple PDFs in OpenKM is much faster and more practical.